What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today, for the review box, we have an unboxing, actually. We are going to be unboxing the brand new Hammer Drop Car Culture Premium set here. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start getting it open here. There is a new casting with this set, and it is the Lancia Statos Zero, which is also the chase. So fingers crossed that we get that. Got the last chase, the Rexy chase from the last case that I ordered. So let's see if our luck can continue here. And here we are. This is the mix-up. It's not looking too promising on the chase front, but let's get them out and see what we've got. Here is the Porsche. Really the only one of the mix I wasn't really excited for. I will be passing on this one personally, sending this one to a friend and giving the other one to another friend. Next up is going to be the MG. That looks much better in person than I was expecting it to be. Like, I've seen lots of pictures online of it coming up, but that looks so much better than I was expecting it to. Very, very nice there. See, the next one should be the Mazda, right? Yep, there's the Mazda. Not the best deco, not exactly the most exciting, but it is there and it looks good. Next up is the Bugatti. This is the new casting that has only been, like, what, 2-3 releases now at this point. So, very, very nice. Good deco, looks clean, very cool, good wheel choice, I think. But, yeah, that one's an exciting one. And finally, the new casting, it is the Lancia Statos Zero. Definitely an odd choice for a car to be getting a Hot Wheels casting, but I'm not upset. I think it looks great. Unfortunately, we did not get the chase, though. Let's get them out of their packaging here, starting with the Porsche. And, yeah, it looks good. Bright yellow with the metal base. Definitely looks better than the mainline. But just not a car that I get excited about enough that I really need a premium version of it, which is why I am getting rid of it. And it looks pretty good. Let's get it on the turntable. Yeah, that's pretty good, I can't lie. But Mazda time. Mazda 787B in what is probably like a test car livery, I'm going to say. Very much like a matte black. Not my favorite deco this one's ever received. But seeing as this casting is back in the premium space, we're going to have an opening engine cover on this one. So let's pull it up here, take a closer look. Trying to get the engine cover off is actually a little bit tricky. I couldn't get it off of there for the longest time. Definitely took me a hot minute. Yeah, it's stuck on there pretty good, which I don't remember occurring with the older ones. But we don't have the warped wing this time around, so that's good to see. You can see I'm still struggling with it here. Eventually did get it off. You actually have to push that wing down ever so slightly, and then it does slide off pretty easily. Let's get it on the turntable. And let's go ahead and get ready for the next one, which is the MG Metro. Looking really, really good. Definitely looks better than I was expecting it to. I was kind of on the fence whether or not I was going to keep this one, because I do have 2 of this casting, and on kind of oddball castings like this is not really something I usually collect a lot of. But yeah, once I saw this one in person, I knew it was going to stay in the collection. This might be my new favorite for the casting, in all honesty. Like, that metallic blue paint looks up so well, looks so good, and it matches nicely with a real-life deco. Now here we have the Lancia Statos Zero, definitely one I was expecting to really, really enjoy. I had 2 choices from the case here. Neither one of them did I really love. There was a few little errors that I saw on both of them, so I kind of picked the lesser of 2 evils, I guess you could say. Definitely not like anything horrendously wrong with it. Windshield a little bit scuffed up, and then there was a touch of little like casting imperfections. But overall, casting is, for as weird of a car as it is, it does look very nice. Let's look at it here. I think the windshield might just be a little bit too dark. That'd be my only complaint. But here's the Bugatti, the one that most people are picking up the set for, or the one that is being taken from the pegs the fastest, at least in most spots. Let's get it open here. Again, this casting had a Fast and Furious release, and then a Transformers semi-premium release, and now here it goes, full premium. So much nicer than the old Veyron casting. Even though they tried to retool that casting to make it better, this one still just, it is so much nicer. A few little imperfections in the paint, but let's get it on the turntable here. And that is pretty much going to wrap up this unboxing of the Hammer Drop Car Culture Premium set. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the set as a whole. I will be doing a full review of the set like I usually do when I do these unboxings. So keep your eyes out for that. Make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in the next video.